morning to all. This is Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. S.N.S. Raj Lakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see the subject web design. In this lecture video series, we are going to see the topic how to create websites under the Unit 3 web hosting. So first of all, what is meant by website? So whatever thing we need in Google, we are going to use to search, right? So that searching, we are going to fetch some data. So that data we are going to feed with the help of some kind of websites. So first of all, website is none other than collection of web pages that are linked together and published on a web server. Websites are typically associated with the specific topics or purpose such as education oriented, news oriented, commerce, entertainment, or else social networking. So it's a collection of web pages linked together in order to publish on web server. So we have different types of websites. We used to call as an e-commerce websites or quiz oriented websites, that is none other than answers and questions, educational oriented websites, blogs oriented websites, as well as business websites, community forums, online payment, and then entertainment, job boards, job portal also we can able to create. It's a kind of web application. And then news websites, so the quiz and all, it's very much helpful for educational oriented websites. So in that we can able to learn something new, as well as the websites helpful for developing our skills, as well as business oriented websites helps to know about that particular business organizations. We can clearly, before if you are supposed to go for some interview, before that we can able to learn something about that particular concern. So that for that and all, the business websites will be very much useful. Entertainment is none other than gaming videos, as well as in that also we have some kind of web applications. So in this way we have different kinds of web applications. Blogs is none other than it's our own portal. We can feed whatever about us. We can create some kind of profile unique in order to view about us by third person. And then we can create some kind of forum websites is also available. That is also one kind of websites in order to understand about the customer satisfaction, customer feedback about that product launch. So product launch is usually we have to analyze the loyalty as well as the customer's behavior about that particular thing. Customer satisfactions, whether it's meeting the customer's expectations, that's we have to analyze. So that and all, this web applications will be very much useful. We can website is none other than we have different kinds of websites like static websites or dynamic websites. Static websites is static, the design and all stable, whatever simple and stable. Dynamic websites means we are going to use some kind of technology languages in order to access with both front end as well as back end. So e-commerce websites is very much useful for buying as well as selling our product, like Flipkart, Amazon, that and all very much useful. As well as educational oriented websites is very much useful for understanding about that particular colleges or schools before moving that particular place. Online payments is very useful for in this techie world. So that is also one of the type of websites. How to create websites? So first of all, I already told that we have different types of websites like static websites or dynamic websites. We are going to use some kind of designing part. We are going to use some kind of technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Markup language is mainly for tag the data design, as well as CSS is mainly for styling our website. And then JavaScript in order to add some functionalities over our websites. And then website builder is helpful for creating a website, as well as coding. We are going to use some kind of technology, HTML, CSS, JavaScript is and all designing part. Coding part we are going to embed PHP, .NET, Java, This kind of technology is very much useful for developing a website, web applications. Content management system is also one of the major role in order to develop some creative or dynamic web application. It's very easy to develop an web applications, web design as well as development. We are using some kind of CMS data like Joomla, WordPress, Drupal. So these kind of content management system is very much useful. Templates and all already there under that particular portal. We can easily manage user-friendly websites can able to develop with the help of CMS called Joomla, Drupal. These and all supposed to helpful for developing creative as well as dynamic web applications. Thank you for your patient listening.